The Lord lifts up the lowly. Amos chapter 7 and verse 15. But the Lord called me away from my flock and told me, Go and prophesy to my people in Israel. This text talks about Amos, a shepherd of Sycamore fig tree in Judah. The Lord called him to prophesy to the people of Israel. The priest Amaziah ordered that Amos goes back to Judah and share his prophecy there and not in Israel. Amaziah even proclaimed that Israel was king's sanctuary and national place of worship. Amos, in all humility, told the priest that he was not a professional prophet, and neither was he trained to be one, but a simple shepherd, and he had to obey God. Therefore, he has come to prophesy against the evil ways of the people of Israel. Who does God lift? Who does God elevate? The world has definitive criteria for a person to be chosen and to be elevated. The standards they have set are far above the reach of the simpleton. Let us say, for example, if someone had to go out of India to study, they have to clear a basic English exam named IELTS, and they have to score a band score of 7 out of 9 in the 4 areas of reading, writing, listening, and speaking. I know a few of whom have cleared easily, while a majority of them have failed. They have written several times and have not cleared it yet. Imagine, for just an entry level exam, the criteria set is so difficult. The agenda is clear. The organizers wanted to filter people and have only the smart few. On the contrary, Jesus is calling for everyone, and the criterion he has set is way too simple. He calls the foolish. If that's what people have told you often, you are selected. He calls the lowly, least in the society, economy, career, beauty, and the list is endless. If you are mocked and scoffed that way, you truly are a choice of God. My dear friends, if the world has rejected you, do not worry. The Lord Jesus Christ has made a choice of you. He did it all through history, and that's how a simple shepherd like Amos was chosen to be a prophet of God of heaven and earth. If you are rejected, remember, God has chosen you for a better stuff beyond your understanding. Trust God. The Lord lifts up the lowly. God bless you.